What's up guys? Today a little video on some camera slowdown replay type deal with Beamng here. So if you press the number 1, it'll give you this view. Number 2, it will give you inside. 3 will give you hood. 4 will give you this like chase type camera where it changes the angles up. It's a cool way to play the game. 5 will give you a hood. 6 will give you the back view, and 7 will give you a direct down. With that said, if you hold shift and then press the letter C, it gives you free roam. By holding the right click button on the mouse, you can look all around. You can use W to go forward, S to go back, A to go left, D to go right, and then if you hold shift and C, you're back with the truck at normal view. If we press escape, we press UI apps, and then we go to add an app, and we type in replay and then click the replay app, place it where you want, back out of here. You'll notice a little red dot. That's your record mode. So if we hit that once, it's in record mode. So whatever you're doing in game will record. And then if you hit that again, it will stop and then it will start to play whatever you played. If you hit it again, now you're back into record mode. The other thing that's really cool is if you hold Alt and then you use the arrow key to the left, you can slow down the time, and it's useful to capture motion, flips or whatever. We'll do some footage here and I'll explain a little bit more of that. So let's start the record button, start the truck. Alright, so up here we're going to press this, and now it's going to automatically start playing, but I have it in a slow motion time. So if I hold Alt and press the up arrow, it's going to go back to normal time. If I hold Alt and press the left arrow, it's going to slow it down and you can actually stop, and that's why the screen is jittering, because you can actually stop it. If you hold Alt and press right, you're starting to speed the time up again. And if you just press up, you're back. Now what I did there was, while it was in motion, I used the mouse and I pressed the right button to kind of pan around and get the angles that I want. So if we unpause this, I'll just go ahead and mess around with this stuff and show you how it works. If I hold Alt and then press the left button to slow it down, you can get some cool footage. So if you want this to go away, you'll hit escape and then you'll just go back to UI apps, click edit apps, and then just close that out, go back. You unpause it and it will start from the beginning again, and you will have the exact same thing but without the UI showing. And in order to get that to stop doing that, you'll of course click UI apps, add apps, and then click the replay, and you will back out of here, stop that so it doesn't keep replaying. Alright, so another cool thing is if you press F11, you have to have two vehicles loaded in that are of yours. I have one loaded in up here, it's my GTO, and then I have this one loaded in. If we press F11 and we go into World Editor, we click Window, and then we'll look for Gameplay, and then you're looking for Script AI Manager. That's going to pop up this. The easiest way to know what you're on is by this little car icon. So that's called Player. Depending on how much you have in here, you got to scroll to the bottom and you'll see a little orange dot that shows you what you're on. So for example, if I click on the sky, it goes away down here and then it lights up here, and it also says the player right here. The other car, let me get out of World Editor, press Shift and C, and we'll go down to that. So we'll go back in the World Editor by pressing F11, and you'll see that car icon here. If you want to know what that's called, just click that. So that one's called Clone 7. The reason I'm doing this is we're gonna create a collision or a close call, whatever you want to do. Alright, so back over here, what we'll do is we'll start the car, drive where we want to. We got to open up World Editor, and we got to make sure we click on this, and then we're going to click the white little dot here where it's highlighted in orange. That's going to record wherever we drive. After you do that, hit F11. Now we're going to switch to the other car, and we're going to hit F11. We're going to make sure we click the correct car. Make sure this says Clone 7, as I told you before, and we're going to click record. Then we're going to press F11 to get out, start the car. So you just want to drive past that. Now we're going to press F11, and we're going to go ahead. We're going to stop the recording here and here. And you can see right here, you have a pathway that was created from where you drove across to where you started. Now to replay this, all you got to do is press the play icon on each of the vehicles. So if we hit F11 and we want to stop it, then you just hit stop and stop, and you can replay it again. And again, if you want to start that slow motion, you'll hit Alt and then you'll slow down time, press F11, and then you can start both vehicles again, press F11. We can do that exact same thing here. And then get back into real time.